Good afternoon. Well, we saw a change in the weather over the weekend. It's certainly not as bright in the garden as it has been. That sunshine's been a little bit more elusive for us, and we are looking much more unsettled for this coming week as well. Low pressure in the driving seat this week, which means we're going to see more rain, and yes, it is turning a good deal cooler as well. Let's have a look at that forecast then, because as I say, a little bit grayer for us today. We've seen a few light showers around this afternoon as well. Now the rain is fizzling out this afternoon, so there will be a lot of dry weather around, but we keep the cloud for much of the day, perhaps a little bit of brightness across the north, but we have cooler air with us at the moment, so you're going to feel the difference to yesterday. Temperatures around 14, perhaps 15 degrees as a maximum. Now we stay generally dry this evening, perhaps even a bit of brightness around for some this evening, but for the first half of the night will be dry, and then that cloud will thicken up once again into the early hours, and we'll see some rain pushing into southern areas by the end of the night. Now the cloud will stop the temperatures falling too far, so not cold, 6 or 7 degrees the minimum, but a damp start for some tomorrow morning. Then we're going to see that rain edging further northwards as the day wears on. Some uncertainty as to how far north it will get, but for most of us it will be quite a wet afternoon. And just check out those temperatures, barely into double figures at around 10 or 11 Celsius. Now the rain will fizzle out into Wednesday. We're dry for a time on Wednesday then, but we're going to see more rain pushing in by the afternoon on Wednesday, staying quite showery into Thursday and Friday, but at least we're warming up each day this week, and by next week we should well be back into the 20s. So that's it from me for now. I'll be back in the East Midlands studio later on this evening.